Welcome to Wealthway, your go-to channel for financial insights, business, and entrepreneurship. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating concept that can transform the way you think about money and wealth. We'll be exploring 8 assets that can help you become rich and free. Join us as we delve into each asset, revealing practical insights and actionable steps to turn your financial dreams into reality. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a savvy investor, or someone looking to break free from the conventional 9-to-5 grind, this video has something for everyone. So let's get started. Think about it. The world's most successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg have all had one thing in common. They've built massive fortunes through sheer hard work and determination. But why do we often perceive them as effortlessly wealthy, shielded by Hollywood's glamorous portrayals? Here's the reality check. Success in entrepreneurship is not a walk in the park. Creating a profitable business requires your unwavering commitment and sweat equity. The notion that the ultra-rich haven't worked a day in their lives is a mental barrier that can keep us trapped in a cycle of mediocrity. Entrepreneurship demands grit, resilience, and sleepless nights. Starting a business, identifying a market gap, and scaling it into a thriving multinational corporation is no small feat. From Elon Musk revolutionizing electric vehicles to Jeff Bezos redefining e-commerce, these self-made moguls earned their billions by pouring their blood, sweat, and tears into their ventures. Here's the game-changing distinction. The difference between entrepreneurs and employees is like the difference between active and passive income. While employees work hard throughout their lives, trading time for a paycheck, entrepreneurs dedicate themselves to creating income-generating assets that work for them. Even when they're not actively involved, these entrepreneurial assets continue to generate income, securing not only their lives but also those of their future generations. In contrast, employees often live paycheck to paycheck, struggling to build a legacy to pass on. So the key lies in understanding that to truly escape the cycle, you must shift from working for money to having your money work for you. Now, let's talk about one of the most rewarding wealth-building assets, real estate. Many of us crave the stability of a secure job with benefits, but that doesn't mean we have to work tirelessly for someone else our entire lives. There's a way out of the rat race through strategic investing. You might wonder, how can I invest in real estate when my salary is barely enough to cover my expenses? Well, that's where the magic of other people's money comes into play. Robert Kiyosaki's wisdom teaches us to leverage OPM, to borrow money to acquire rental properties. These properties become a second income stream, one that flows alongside your 9-to-5 job. The rental income pays off the mortgage and expenses while still leaving you with a surplus. And here's the cherry on top. Real estate investments often come with tax advantages, putting more money back into your pocket. As you acquire more rental properties over time, your dependence on your paycheck diminishes. This paves the way to true financial freedom. Picture this: your assets working for you, adding multiple passive income streams to your portfolio, and a legacy of wealth that you can pass on to your loved ones. Now, let's explore an alternative avenue to financial freedom: paper assets. These are a fantastic option for those with time and budget constraints. Imagine being able to invest in successful businesses without having to start one yourself. That's the power of paper assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Each comes with its own level of risk, allowing you to tailor your investments to your risk tolerance. The beauty of these assets is that they provide a way to diversify your portfolio without the direct responsibilities that come with managing a business or real estate. These investments grant you the opportunity to benefit from the success of other ventures and accelerate your journey out of the 9-to-5 grind. Have you ever wondered why the value of the dollar fluctuates? Well, it's because the value of paper money isn't inherent. It's based on the government's backing and the Federal Reserve's printing capabilities. In essence, the dollar's value isn't anchored. It's influenced by external factors. Picture this. Today, the US stands as a world superpower, and the dollar reigns as the most valuable currency. But what if tomorrow another country surpasses the US in global dominance? In that scenario, their currency would replace the dollar, illustrating the unpredictability of relying solely on one currency. This is where commodities come into play. Renowned author Robert Kiyosaki refers to them as God's money. Why? Because commodities like gold, silver, oil, and even food grains and meat have inherent value that transcends man-made constructs. These assets remain vital to humanity's survival and well-being, making them irreplaceable. Think about it. We need food for sustenance, energy for transportation and trade, and precious metals for wealth preservation. These needs will persist regardless of economic fluctuations or currency shifts. Unlike paper assets, commodities offer tangible value that holds up even in uncertain times. Moreover, commodities serve as a powerful defense against inflation. While paper money's value can erode due to economic changes, commodities have limited quantities and consistent demand, leading to value appreciation during challenging times. Therefore, diversifying your portfolio with commodity investments can be a wise move. Time, the ever-elusive resource that we all wish we had more of. But did you know that time can be your most valuable asset on your journey to financial freedom? Let's explore how. The phrase, "time is money," isn't just a catchy saying. It holds profound meaning. Time is a non-renewable resource. Once it's gone, you can't get it back. Many NFL players, for instance, become bankrupt soon after earning their first $1 million, showing that money can come and go. Here's where your youth plays a crucial role. Starting your financial journey at a young age gives you a significant advantage. With more years ahead, you have the opportunity to recover from losses and take calculated risks. Just as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, advises starting young can set the stage for long-term success. Making the most of your time involves more than just waiting for wealth to accumulate. It's about actively upgrading yourself. In a standard 5-day work week, you're left with 2 valuable days. You can choose to spend them leisurely or seize the opportunity to invest in yourself. Consider starting a side hustle, upskilling to enhance your employability, or even pursuing a passion project. These investments in yourself can lead to unexpected, life-changing opportunities, all while enhancing your financial well-being. While optimizing your time is essential, maintaining good health is equally vital on your path to success. Often, we neglect our bodies when we're young, indulging in junk food, excessive alcohol, or even smoking. The relentless cycle of work, earn, and repeat blinds us to have long-term consequences. It's crucial to realize that poor health habits don't just chip away at our current earnings. They can also lead to hefty medical bills down the road. But here's the game changer. Investing in your well-being through regular exercise not only boosts your earning potential, but also gives you a fulfilling life with your loved ones. Now, let's explore the virtual realm of online assets, a frontier where your skills and knowledge can translate into tangible income. Have you ever wondered about the opportunities hidden in the digital space? Let's uncover the magic of online platforms. The beauty of starting an online endeavor is that the entry barrier is almost non-existent. For instance, launching a YouTube channel costs you nothing. Whether you're a culinary genius, a master storyteller, or a tech wizard, the internet offers a space to share your expertise and help others. Imagine your skills gaining traction and attracting a dedicated following. With subscribers flocking in, platforms like YouTube reward you with ad revenue. But this is just the beginning. Online courses, blogs, and social media pages also offer avenues to monetize your knowledge. As your online assets start generating income, you can expand your horizons, transform your passion into a full-fledged business, hire assistants, enhance your content, and even explore affiliate programs to diversify your income streams. The power of networking. In this digital age, a solid network can shape your success story. Let's delve into the art of building a personal brand and cultivating goodwill. You've probably heard the saying, "A happy client is a referring client." This adage highlights the importance of personal branding in today's business landscape. While delivering quality work is vital, receiving recommendations from satisfied clients can be transformative. Let's say you start a catering business. Every event you cater to expands your network. As guests savor your food, they remember you for the next time they host an event. But remember, success won't come knocking. You need to actively market yourself and showcase your role in delivering exceptional results. So there you have it. 8 assets that can lead you to financial freedom and a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. Remember, the path to wealth requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Whether you choose to start a business, invest in real estate, explore paper assets, or harness the potential of online platforms, the key is to take action and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others on their journey to financial independence. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for a better financial future.